In this video, I am going to talk about invertebrates, significance of invertebrates, importance of study of invertebrates. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel. What are invertebrates? The animals which lack backbone or vertebral column are referred to as invertebrates. All such animals are included in a group called Invertebrata. Also, animals are often categorized into two major groups, the chordates and the non-chordates. This categorization is based on the presence or absence of the singular character, that is, the notochord. It is a stiff rod-like structure which serves as an internal skeleton. Animals without notochords are called as non-chordates, and those with a vertebral column are called as chordate. Non-chordate and invertebrate are the terms often used for each other as synonyms, but their meanings differ. For an instance, protochordates are all invertebrates because of absence of vertebral column, but they still are chordates due to presence of notochord. Thus, all the non-chordates are invertebrates, whereas all the invertebrates are not non-chordate. Presently, there are about 30 invertebrate phyla, which are categorized by the unity of basic structural pattern in each of them. For example, phylum Arthropoda, which includes insects, arachnids, crustaceans, etc., has an estimated 9,99,059 identified species, or 85% of total identified animal species. Apart from arthropods, the invertebrate number reaches 12,38,000 or 94%. Significance of invertebrates. A well-known biologist, E. O. Wilson, has described the invertebrates as little things which run the world. Invertebrates are a portion of nearly every food chain directly as a food for fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals, or indirectly as agent in a continual recycling of nutrients in the soil. Food webs depend on these creatures executing essential procedures such as pollination or seed dispersals. We can't think of living on the earth without the existence of invertebrates. Importance of study of invertebrates. The study of invertebrates has acquainted us with their involvement in the significant effects on the sustainability of numerous agrarian products. Invertebrates and microorganisms play an important role in detoxifying pesticides, nurturing and enhancing the fertility, reducing the effects of pollutants, and also in biological control of agricultural pests. Many invertebrates are deadly to humans as parasites, nematodes, or as vectors for serious human diseases, mites and mosquitoes.